HR management are numerous, and dealing with payroll calculations can be time consuming and take away from building strong relationship with the employees. To alleviate these challenges, many companies implement a payroll management system. But what exactly is a payroll management system and why is it important to have a payroll management solution in 2023? Let's explore the answers to the questions. Hello everyone, I am Neha from Webtel. In this video, I will share with you the benefits and the challenges of using a payroll management system, as well as the other aspects of PMS. So stay tuned, and before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel Webtel Electrosoft to get regular compliance updates. So let's start with the basics.
The responsibilities of HR management are manifold, and the hassle of payroll calculation leaves no room for strengthening the employee relationships for HR management. To reduce these challenges, a payroll management system comes into effect. Investing your time, energy, and money in manual payroll calculations can turn into waste due to the inaccuracies and mistakes associated with manual processing. So here are the various risks and challenges associated with manual payroll calculations that a business needs to look out for. The first challenge faced is the ever-changing statutory compliance. The compliance guidelines and regulations for HR and payroll management are constantly changing. While calculating payroll manually, there is a constant need for the management to stay updated with these changes, which in turn is a time-consuming process. Moreover, there is a higher risk of missing out on these regulations and having to pay heavy fees and penalties. Another challenge is the unifying data from multiple sources. In the absence of a systematic payroll and HR management solution, the payroll computation can be a tedious task as the employee data is scattered and unorganized. Having to go back and forth between the attendance registers, salary sheets, and the other employee records can deviate the HR managers from their core responsibilities. Then there is the higher cost of operations. Now, payroll calculation is a routine activity for any organization, and the manual computation for the payroll is not only time consuming but also high in cost. So, handling the payroll processes of an organization requires a dedicated team and resource allocation, which can ultimately bring up the overall cost of the operations. Then there is the privacy breach and security issues. Your company's payroll and salary information is confidential, and protecting such information is important for any business. Manual calculating payroll inputs such as the business data are at the risk of leakage, loss, and alterations, which may have adverse effect on the reputation of the business and the privacy of your employees. Another challenge is the manual errors and the other mistakes. Any activity involving human intervention is subject to errors and inaccuracies. Manual computation is at high risk of mistakes in attendance tracking, documentation management, leave records, and so on. After the challenges, if we talk about the benefits of the payroll management system, so the advancement in technology and the dynamic business world calls for a secure and automated solution that helps you get rid of the risk and challenges associated with manual payroll calculation. So here is how a payroll management system can help you out getting rid of the manual payroll challenges. First one is the saving time and increasing the productivity. So the payroll computation is a tedious and time-consuming process that requires the finance team to keep track of multiple records and information. With the help of an efficient payroll management system, you can add automation to the otherwise challenging task of payroll calculation. This can help your business increase productivity and time efficiency, allowing your team to focus on the core areas of improvement. Another benefit is reducing the errors and ensuring the accuracy. The risk of inaccuracies and the errors is high in the case of manual payroll calculations. Mistakes in payroll can not only bring down the morale of the employees but also cost heavy penalties. So a payroll management solution saves you from such risks and challenges by ensuring accuracy in the payroll calculation. The automated solution collects data from the multiple sources and helps you calculate the payroll with complete accuracy. Then another benefit of a payroll management system is to enable the security and privacy. Manual payroll calculation processes put your confidential business data at the risk and damage your business integrity. Payroll solutions save your business data from human intervention by limiting access to confidential information. This helps you increase your data security and the privacy of the employees. Another benefit of a payroll management system is to stay updated and compliant. Now, keeping up with the challenging regulations and statutory compliances related to payroll is also a tedious and time-consuming task. A payroll management system saves you from the hassle of staying updated with the latest compliance requirements and implementing these changes in the payroll calculation on a real-time basis. Another important benefit of the payroll management system is that it increases the transparency and the reliability. So with the efficient payroll management system, you can build up the transparency and strengthen trust among your employees. By reducing such errors, ensuring compliances, and enabling the security, you can build trust and reliability. Moreover, by providing limited access to the personal details, benefits, time, and attendance information to the employees, you can increase the transparency between the company and the employees. Now, because of these benefits of the payroll management system, it is very important to understand how you are going to opt for an efficient payroll management system. Nowadays, the marketplace is flooded with various payroll and HR management solutions that guarantee compliances and accuracy in performing HR management activities. So, choosing the right solution that fits your business needs careful consideration and evaluation. So you can start by asking yourself the questions mentioned onto the screen to ensure the right choice of the payroll management system. The first question says, is the payroll management system compliant? When seeking an HR payroll management system, make sure that the solution is compliant with the updated statutory regulations of your region and supports regular updating of the solution as per the ongoing changes. Another question, is the payroll software secure? Data security is the priority of any organization, and ensuring the same is immensely important. The right payroll management software must follow the data encryption standards and be equipped with the necessary security measures. The last question that you should be asking yourself, is the solution easy to use? So the prime responsibility of a payroll solution is to simplify the complex task of payroll calculations. The right solution should be easy to use and be able to serve the purpose of increasing time efficiency while ensuring cost effectiveness and productivity enhancement. Now, among the options available in the marketplace, which should be the best payroll management system that suits your business best? Seeking a payroll management solution that can simplify your routine activity of salary and payroll calculations? Your search ends at Webtel, the best payroll management service provider. So here are the distinct modules offered in the HR Pulse by Webtel to simplify the payroll process. Salary calculation. You can calculate the salary with relevant deductions and the incentives in a single click. Tedious return is there. HR Pulse facilitates seamless tedious return filing and generations. With Webtel's advanced payroll management system, you can also generate the revised returns for the salary also. Coming to the processes available in the HR Pulse, so you can calculate the salary. You can use the reimbursement management wherein you can track your employee expenses and reimbursement details. Then there is the loan and advances management, wherein the employer can manage the employee loans and advance details and policies. Then there is the overtime management, by which you can keep a control over the overtime tracking, overtime payments and approvals. Bonus calculation is there, by which you can easily calculate the monthly, quarterly or annual bonuses. Full and final settlement, by which you can clear overdue payments at the time of full and final settlement for any of the employee. Then there is the tax declarations or investment proofs, one place for the tax declaration and investment documents that can be uploaded by the employee using their ESS panel and which will be considered for the purpose of taxation calculation into the salary process. Gratuity calculation is also available, wherein you can accurately calculate the gratuity benefits for the employees. Payslips and reimbursement slips can be generated and maintained. Bank transfer sheet is there. Salary registers and various reports can be exported in the form of Excel or PDFs. So all these options are available into the HR Pearl software, by which you can simplify your payroll processing.
I hope you have understood that if you are looking for an easy to use payroll solution, then your search ends with Webtel, the best payroll service provider. For better understanding, I have shared a link to the blog as mentioned in the description box. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section. Also, you can comment if you have any doubts. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Next Tuesday, we will be coming up with another interesting video to improve compliances for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.